Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to start our next biology practical. It is a spotting. Okay. So, in this spot, we should study the organism causing the common human diseases. So, children, we should know the general questions so that examiner will ask us some general questions related to health, related to disease in this pandemic situation. Okay, children. So, commonly, what do you mean by health? So, children, health can be defined as the state of complete physical, mental, and the social well being. Health is related to efficiency to the work and longevity of the life and reduces infant and the maternal mortality rate. So, children, any deviation from the physical, mental, and the social well beings is expressed in the form of a disease which can be classified into the different categories. For example, we can divide the disease into congenital disease and the acquired disease. In the congenital disease, the inborn disease like the disorders due to the embryonic development process. But due to the acquired diseases acquired after the birth and they are non-inheritable disease. We can also categorize we can acquire disease into two types. First is the communicable disease and second is the non-communicable disease. First, communicable disease means acquired due to the invasive of the live parasite and are transmittable from the infected person to a healthy person. So it is also example of the coronavirus. COVID is also a type of communicable disease like common cold, cough, all are the communicable disease. But the non-communicable diseases are not transmitted from sick person to the healthy person like kwashiorkor, protein deficiency diseases are examples of non-communicable diseases. So children, communicable disease are again categorized into two types, contagious and the non-contagious disease. For example, contagious diseases are transmitted from sick person to the healthy person through the physical contact like chickenpox, measles, but the non-contagious disease are transmitted from sick person to healthy person through water, air, like carriers, or we can say the vectors like cholera, malaria. Okay, so these are the general knowledge about the disease. So examiner can ask questions from this topic. So children, after that our first spot in the microorganism is the ant amoeba histolytica. It is the polymorphic form of the ant amoeba histolytica. We have the slide of ant amoeba histolytica in our biology lab. So you should identify first the spot and after the identification you should write down the name of the specimen. This is the given specimen is of ant amoeba histolytica. After the nomenclature, you should write down the classification and also comment on the symptoms of the disease caused by it. So children, in the classification you should write down the kingdom. It is related to which kingdom? Yes, we know there are plant kingdom or animal kingdom. It is of animal kingdom. After that the phylum is of protozoa. Then genus is ant amoeba and the species name is histolytica. So you should separately underline the ant amoeba and histolytica and write down the genus name start with the capital letter and the species name start with the small letter. After writing the classification, you should draw a well-labeled diagram. So you can see the well-labeled diagram in which you should make the ectoplasm, endoplasm. The outer covering is called the ectoplasm and the inner side it is called the endoplasm. In between the nucleus is present in which the genome present. After that the pseudopodium, which is the it is important for their locomotion, and the ingested bacteria are also present in the trophic form. In the minute form you can draw any form. You can draw minute form and minuta form or the trophic form, or you should label any four labeling. Done any four labeling like food vacuoles, nucleus, any four red blood cells of the ingested cells. Okay, any 4 to 5 labeling you should complete. So children, it is a protozoan monogenic endoparasitic of the humans. Okay, it is endoparasitic. There are two types of parasites, ecto and endo, which present inside the body. It is called the endoparasite, and those which are present on the body it is called the ectoparasite. So the Entamoeba histolytica is present endoparasite of the humans. It causes the amoebic dysentery. It is the disease called the amoebiasis. Particularly in the children, it is very much spread in the children. In the amoebiasis, fluid fecal matter associated with the blood and the mucus, and also the cyst is passed out. And there are two polymorphic phase. We know the trophic and the minuta. So children, the trophic phase, which is the bigger and the pathogenic in the nature. The first diagram is pathogenic. Pathogenic means which cause the disease. And the second form, which is the smaller and the non-pathogenic, but it is responsible for spreading of the disease. So children, the infection is caused by its tetranucleate cyst, and then the mode of transmission of the disease is intake of the contaminated food and the contaminated water due to unhygienic conditions, so that insects such as the housefly, cockroaches, all are the vectors of this Entamoeba histolytica. So what we should do? The personal hygiene, cleanliness is very important to prevention of this disease. Okay children, and there are various type of medical preparations are available in the market to treatment of this disease, or we can prescribe by the medical practitioner. Okay, we should consult with the doctor and then we will take the any drug, any type of the medical preparation like capsule, medicines or any syrup. Okay children, so hope this topic is clear and this spot is clear. This is our first spot of the organism causing the common human disease, and overall we have completed the 6 spots. Okay children, any query you can write in query box or you can ask me. Okay, thank you children. Yes children, today is your homework to write down the comments of the Entamoeba histolytica and draw a well-labeled diagram of Entamoeba histolytica in your notebook and submit it on Saturday. Okay children, thank you.